One common misconception from Forex traders about the fundamentals is that they are only useful for long-term trading. Now, it is true that the fundamentals have a long-term component with things like central bank policy and interest rates. But another key component or part of the fundamentals that is often overlooked is something called market sentiment. And that sentiment really moves and shakes the market every single day. And what that means is that if you are solely just relying on a technical trading system, you are essentially trading blind in the markets. You see, professional traders aren't content with only using the technicals. They want the advantage of knowing that the fundamentals as well as the day-to-day market sentiment is also in favor of their trades as well, which gives them a great edge in the markets. Here at Financial Source, we help you to understand the long-term fundamentals and the market sentiment that is driving the markets every single day. And if you go to our homepage right now, financialsource.co, you'll see that we put up to 20 videos per day for free, which covers the currencies that are moving right now and helping you to understand what sentiment is moving the market and where you can look to trade it as well.